Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm really glad you're here with me today. Every time we meet, we add another useful word to your English, step by step. And today's word, it's one you can use in lots of situations, sometimes surprising, sometimes normal. Today, we're going to learn the word encounter. So, what does encounter mean? To encounter means to meet someone or something, usually unexpectedly. It can be a person, an animal, a problem, or even a feeling. It's often used when the meeting is sudden or a bit challenging. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word encounter. I encountered my old friend in the city yesterday. They encountered many difficulties during their journey. The hikers encountered a wild bear on the trail. We encountered some unexpected problems with the project. She encountered a lot of new ideas at the conference. All right, now it is time for a short story, just 10 sentences, to help you remember encounter in context. Last summer, I went hiking in the mountains. The weather was perfect, and I was enjoying the peace and quiet. Suddenly, I encountered a small group of deer near the river. They were calm, but curious about me. I stayed still, not wanting to scare them away. After a few minutes, I continued walking and soon encountered a steep hill. It was harder than I expected, but I didn't give up. At the top, I encountered the most amazing view: green valleys and blue skies. That moment made the whole hike worth it. Sometimes, the best encounters are the unexpected ones. So, that's the word encounter, to meet, discover, or face something new. Try to use it this week in your stories or conversations. See you next time for another great word. Take care and keep learning.